Bullish Ethereum cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $5,439.93 and $11,846.96 by 2030. Market experts accept ETH could reach $5,439.93 by 2025. Bearish Ethereum market cost expectation for 2022 is $967.10. Ethereum presentation. Decentralized and open source, Ethereum is a blockchain that supports brilliant agreements. The stage's local coin is called Ether. As far as market capitalization, Ether is the main cryptographic money after Bitcoin. Developer Vitalik Buterin made Ethereum in 2013. Gavin Wood, Charles Hoskinson, Anthony Di-Iorio, and Joseph Lubin were extra Ethereum organizers. Crowdfunding for improvement work began in 2014, and the organization sent off on July 30, 2015. Anybody can distribute extremely durable and unchangeable decentralized applications on Ethereum, permitting clients to speak with them. Applications for decentralized finance offer a great many monetary administrations without the requirement for customary monetary mediators like banks, financiers, or trades, for example, empowering digital currency proprietors to get or loan cash against their property out for revenue. NFTs are explicit tokens that demonstrate responsibility for related resource or honor and are recognized by a few foundations. They are similarly conceivable to create and trade utilizing Ethereum. Furthermore, a few other digital currencies have utilized the Ethereum blockchain as a stage for introductory coin contributions and utilize the ERC20 symbolic norm. On the off chance that you are hoping to put resources into Ethereum, this guide can help. What is Ethereum? Ethereum is a blockchain-based decentralized worldwide programming stage at its heart. It is known for Ether, frequently known as ETH, its local digital currency. Anybody can utilize Ethereum to assemble any solid advanced innovation they can envision. A token is incorporated into it explicitly for utilization on the blockchain network, yet clients may likewise utilize it to pay for errands done on the blockchain. Versatile, programmable, secure, and decentralized are highlights of Ethereum. Accordingly, it is the blockchain of decision for organizations and engineers who are building innovation on top of it to change a few areas and how we carry on with our day-to-day routines. Ethereum specialized investigation as indicated by specialized examination performed on Ethereum. The cost of ETH has been following a falling triangle design since mid-last year. At the determination, ETH's cost went through an exemplary bullish breakout and is expected to return to the nearest boundary. One more uplifting sign, the cost of ETH going over the moving normal with solid exchanging action, upholds this. Hence, on the off chance that the pattern proceeds and Ethereum's cost goes over the principal obstruction, the following significant region to watch out for is presumably to perceive how ETH's value answers this line might approve or disprove longer-term expectation. Ethereum crucial examination. It's memorables fundamental that most digital forms of money are projects as opposed to associations, rather than the financial exchange. Thus, by finishing a reasonable major examination and taking into account all the data that is as of now open about the task, you might decide if a cryptographic money is beneficial or not. The objective of basic examination is to learn a resource's natural worth. For example, you might assess whether a digital currency is exaggerated or underestimated by thinking about a couple of inward and outside factors. Ether is important due to a few elements. In any case, its convenience is vital for taking care of the expenses of all conventions based on Ethereum. For example, the decentralized money convention classifications of credits, decentralized trades, subsidiaries, resources, and installments require Ether expenses. Besides, the biological system of Ethereum DeFi is dynamic and different, as found in the pictures beneath. Second, Ether is the safe resource for decentralized finance on the grounds that it is used as security in the decentralized money convention. For example, getting or loaning Ether to build a yield due to marking and yield cultivating is one use case. The agreement expresses that 5% of each and every Ether will be held in marking, and 5% will be secured in DeFi. Third, since clients might utilize this computerized cash to pay for items and administrations on the Ethereum blockchain, the second era of blockchains, Ether, can be viewed as another sort of cash. For example, non-fungible tokens NFT, for example, crypto collectibles are bought utilizing Ether. Ethereum current cost. Ethereum is presently worth $1,208.87 USD. ETH has moved 0.14% as of now with an exchanging volume of $5,461,674,799. Ethereum is presently positioned 2 among all cryptographic forms of money with a market capitalization of $146,917,204,056 USD. Using the overall strength record, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal intermingling uniqueness from the graph above, we can decide cost designs for Ethereum to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Ethereum Value Forecast 2022. Ethereum, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. The ETH cost figure for 2022 expects a huge expansion in the year's final part, perhaps coming to $1,813.31. Likewise with other digital currencies, the ascent will be continuous, yet no significant drops are normal. Averaging $1,692.42 in cost is very aggressive, yet it is doable soon given expected coordinated efforts and headway. ETH is supposed to have a base worth of $1,450.65. Ethereum Value Forecast 2023. In 2023, Ethereum ETH cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the likely declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of ETH will before long outperform $3,022.18. Be that as it may, we ought to hold back to check whether the ETH's overall strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, ETH will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $2,417.75 and a typical exchanging cost of $2,659.52. Ethereum Value Expectation 2024. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $4,231.06 and ETH might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. ETH is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $3,868.40 and a low of $3,626.62 in 2024. Ethereum Value Expectation 2025. Assuming Ethereum effectively supports market opinion among digital currency lovers, the ETH coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, ETH will be green in 2025. The ETH is supposed to reach and outperform its untouched high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual money will be valued at $5,439.93, with a base cost of $4,835.50 and a typical cost of $5,077.27. Ethereum Value Expectation 2026. After some broad determining and specialized examination, we gauge the ETH cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $6,286.14 by 2026, with a base cost of $6,044.37 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, ETH has a greatest value worth of $6,648.81. Ethereum Value Expectation 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $7,495.02. In the event that ETH figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a most extreme cost of $7,857.02